Good morning, teacher. Good morning, Chime. This is Drokar. Oh, I see. Drokar, hello. Hello, teacher. Is this a textbook? Yes, it's a textbook. Are these storybooks? No, these are copybooks. Is that a pencil? No, that's a pen. Is this a dictionary or a diary? It's a dictionary. What are those things over there? Those are papers and inks. What's that? That's a whiteboard. Is this a fan? No, it's not a fan. This chair is small, right? Yes, it is. It's small. The tables are small too. Are these computers powerful? Yes, these are new.